Hey guys, my name is Shivraj Singh and welcome to my channel Astronomical Marvels. So, in our last video we had talked about the universe, the facts of the universe, and I had gave you gist of our channel. So, the topic of today's video is day and night, our spinning earth, or if we round off the today's topic, you can just say the topic is Earth, our planet Earth. So, 2000 years ago, people were certain that the sun moved across the sky, like this. They thought that the Earth isn't spinning or revolving. The planets and the suns and all the stars are revolving and spinning around the Earth. They saw the sun rise in the morning, move slowly across the sky all day, and set at night. It was so obvious and it was completely wrong. We now know that it is not the sun that is moving. It is the earth that spins around every day and makes the sun seems to move. It's like sitting on a carouse or and train. You can see people moving past as the carousel spins or the train moves. But of course, they are standing still as it's you and the train that are moving. Planet Earth spins round once every 24 hours. The sun lights the sky when we are facing it. When the sun disappears or sets at night, the sky goes dark and we can see the stars. The earth turns round from west to east. So, looking out from a spinning earth, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. While we are in the daylight, it's the night time for people on the other side of the world. There are different time zones around the earth. So, if it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon in London, it's midnight in Sydney, Australia. Similarly, if there is morning 9 o'clock in India, it would be approximately evening 7 o'clock in New Zealand. So you can compare. At night, when the sun has set, we can see the stars, but actually the stars are in the sky all the time. We can't just see them during the daylight because the sun is so bright. As the earth turns, the stars rise in the east, move slowly across the sky and set in the west. We see different stars in the sky before dawn than those we see after the sunset. So, the stars we see after sunsets are different and the stars we see before the dawn are different. There is just one star that does not move across the sky. It's the North Star, or you can say Pole Star or the Polaris, which is directly above the North Pole. The Earth spins round on its axis, which is a line to the Earth from North Pole to South Pole. So, the star above the North Pole stays still, and all other stars and planets seem to move slowly around it. The same way would be true for the South Pole, but there is no bright star over this pole on the South Pole, because there is no bright star in the South Pole. There must be a star, but there is no bright star like Polaris. Now, we will be talking about the precise day. The clocks on Earth have a 24-hour day, so as per us, a day on Earth is of 24 hours. In fact, the Earth rotates 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. But this is so close to 24 hours that it makes no real difference. But it does means that the star rise earlier by about 4 minutes each night. Over a week, stars rise earlier by about half an hour. In a month, it adds up to 2 hours. So, every day the stars are rising earlier 4 minutes. And after a month, the stars rise 2 hours earlier. Days on other planets. All other planets have day and night, but they spin round at different speeds to Earth. The planet with the shortest day is Jupiter. It spins round in about only 10 hours, so Jupiter's day is only of 10 hours. There's a 10 hours day, so it would be a 5-hour day and a 5-hour night. The longest day is on Venus, which rotates very slowly and takes 243 days to turn round once. So a day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, or it has a day of 243 Earth days. The planet most likely to Earth, or is very comparable to Earth in its rotation, is Mars. A day there lasts 24 hours and 38 minutes, which is so close to 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Now we have learned all the main things about the Earth, but now we'll be learning about our planet's Earth statistics, or you can say the size, diameter, distance from the Sun, year time to orbit the Sun, and all. So the topic is planet Earth statistics. Size, or you can also say diameter, is 7,296 miles or 12,756 kilometers. Distance from the Sun, 93 million miles and 150 million kilometers. Day or rotation is 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Year, or you can say time to orbit the Sun, is 365.25 days. You must be knowing why. Temperature, 71.6 degree Fahrenheit or 23 degrees Celsius average. And there is only one moon which we are all knowing. You can also say Luna or lunar. So, if you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you are new, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you could be updated with all my videos. Thanks and have a nice day.